Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How is Athar? How are you? Athar, are you here?
Yeah.
Okay. So today, inshallah, we are going to learn lesson 4 from our book. And that is Madinah Arabic book 1, right? Madinah Reader book 1. So Alhamdulillah, we completed 3 lessons so far, and we are going to do lesson number 4. And in lesson number 4, you'll see new topics or new things, like besides al or haza, you will see new things. So let's start. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tammim bil khair wa bika nasta'inu ya fatahu ya fatahu ya fatahu. Okay, let's start. So can you see what is this? Can you see the picture? So what is this?
Bathroom.
Bathroom. So what's the word for bathroom in Arabic?
Al-hammam.
Yeah, al-hammamu.
Al-hammam.
Al-hammamu. And what is this like?
A bedroom.
Yeah, bedroom or any room. Like it can be just a sitting room, like common room, because we can see only chair and a painting and a door. So it's a room, right?
Yeah.
So what's the word for that?
Al-ghurfatu.
Al-ghurfatu. Excellent. If it's not written over here, originally all ism are have either dhamma, one dhamma or two dhamma. Okay. When they are used in the sentence, then their role in the sentence determines whether it's a dhamma or fatha or kasra. So the role a word plays in the sentence, then their Arab changes. But originally all words are rafa in status. Okay, with dhamma. Dhamma. Inshallah, we are going to learn rafa nasab like status bit by bit. But today we are going to learn what is there in lesson 4. Okay, so al-hammamu, al-ghurfatu. What is the hold on, let me, yeah, this is al-hammamu, al-ghurfatu. So tell me, al-hammamu is what? A bathroom or the bathroom?
The bathroom.
The bathroom. So where is this da coming?
From al.
Al. So al is what? Al is one type of proper noun, right? Al is
a proper noun.
Al is definite article, right? And one type of proper noun. Al-ghurfatu is what?
The room.
The room. So here al means proper noun or proper ism. Better is to call it ism, proper ism. Al means proper, one type of proper ism. Okay? Okay. So al-baitu. Al-baitu.
Al-baytu is The house.
The house. Very good. Fil baiti. Fi means
In.
in. Good.
In the.
Yeah, in the house. Okay. So far we haven't learned. Is this a new word in the book? Fi.
Yeah.
Okay. Good.
Mhm.
So fi is new word we are learning today. This is al masjidu. Fil masjidi.
In the masjid.
In the masjid. Excellent.
I learned fee. I learned fee in a different class, I think.
Yeah, you might have learned somewhere else. So, but in this book, in the 4th lesson, we are going to learn these words, inshallah. So, al-maktabu.
At the office.
Yes, it can be office. It can be desk. The desk. Okay. Ala means on, upon. Ala means
on the desk.
yeah, on the desk. Excellent. On the desk. Asariru.
The sarirun is
Bed.
bed. The bed.
Ala sorry.
On the bed.
On the bed. Okay, good. So in, on, up, let me write some. In, on, over, under, from. These are which kind of word?
Adjectives.
Adjective?
Ism.
No. In English, what are these words? In, on, over, under, off, to. These kinds of words.
Right, I learned this.
Yeah, we were, remember we were doing the other course, the other grammar course. In that we learned that preposition.
A preposition.
Okay, so these are prepositions in English, right? So, but these words, fi, ala, these kinds of words are harf jar. I think I need to undo this and then write it down, right? Yes. So these are fi, min, fi, an, ala, hatta, ila. Min, fi, an, ala, hatta, ila. These are harf jar in Arabic. Harf jar. So in this lesson we are learning harf jar. What we are learning?
Harf jar.
Harf jar. And when harf jar is combined, combines with harf jar combines with an ism, then it's a compound. It's a combination, right? So when harf jar combines with an ism, this combination is jar majroor. Combination of jar majroor, or this is jar, this jar, harf jar. Are you with me? This is harf jar and this is ism. So can you see what is going on over here? This was al baytu, right? This was al baytu, and this one is fil bayti. Can you see this? So fil bayti, as soon as harf jar comes, it makes the ism majroor. It makes the ism like it for immediately the ism takes a kasra. Okay, look, this was al masjidu, right? This is al masjidu, and when fi comes, it becomes fil masjidi. Fil, can you see? Fil masjidi. So as soon as a harf jar combines with the ism, it makes the ism majroor, or it takes the kasra. You can say kasra. So what are these things that I'm telling you? Like this is al-hammamu and this is al-baytu, and with dhamma it's a rafa, and with kasra it's a majroor. What? So these are new words for you, right? So inshallah, I'm gonna tell you what are these words. Let me in detail. So Athar, this is what I wanted to share with you. This is the chart for harf of jar. Okay, so today in fourth lesson, there are new words like fi and ala, like fi and ala. So these are what? Harf of jar. Say it with me, harf of
jar.
Harf of jar, or in Arabic you just say harf jar. Okay, harf jar. You can just say harf jar, right? So harf jar are a specific harf in Arabic that make the following ism in jar status, and there are a total of 17 harf jar in Arabic, but only 11 are in the Quran, and these are ba, bi, like, you know, we say bismillah, bismi. When we say bismi, me. So this is ba and ismi. Ba and ismi. So as soon as these specific harf come, they make the ism majroor or with kasra. Okay. So these are bi, ta, ka, lam, waw, min, fi, an, ala, hatta, ila. And in this lesson, we are just doing we are just introducing two harf jar. Fourth lesson, we are just introducing two harf jar. Okay. So let's go to our lesson 4 again. Yeah, harf jar.
Fi and ala.
Fi and ala. So these are specific words in Arabic, and when they combine with ism, the ism must take a kasra. Okay, must take a kasra. Okay, so let's go further. Aina Muhammadun. Aina Muhammadun. Aina means
Aina, is it a harfja?
Aina is, no, it's not harfja. Aina means where. Aina is question word in Arabic. Okay, Aina is question word in Arabic. Aina means where. Okay,
Where is Muhammad?
Yes, where is Muhammad? And then wa aina yasirun, wa aina yasirun. And where is?
Yasin.
And where is Yasir? Okay. Aina Muhammadun. Where is Muhammad? What's the answer?
Huwa fil ghurfati.
Yeah, he is in the room. He is in the room. Huwa fil ghurfati. He is in the room, right? So, huwa means?
He.
Yes. Huwa is he. Fi means?
In
Al ghurfati.
the room.
Yeah. Huwa fil ghurfati. So, he is in the room. This is a complete sentence, right? And what about Yasir? Wa aina Yasirun?
Huwa fil hammami.
Huwa fil hammami means?
He is in the bathroom.
Excellent. In the bathroom. Okay. Right? Okay. Now, wa aina Aminatu?
Wa aina Aminatu. Where is Amina?
And wa means?
And where is Amina?
Where is Amina? So, okay. What's the answer? Yeah. Yeah.
Here
Fil
mutbakhi.
Matbakhi is kitchen. You can see over here, right?
Yeah.
Al matbakhi, kitchen. So why not huwa? Over here, like for Muhammadun is huwa, he is in the room. For Yasirun, it's huwa, he is in the bathroom. Why not huwa for Aminatu?
Because Amina is a girl.
Yeah, so here is what?
She is in the kitchen.
Yes, excellent. So you yourself figure it out that here is she, right?
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah. Uh-oh, it's overwritten now. Okay. Let me undo this and write again. She is in the kitchen. Okay. Right? Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now read the more sentences like
أين الكتاب?
أين الكتاب?
Where is the book?
Where is the book? Where is the book? Okay. Let me. Because these are all questions, so there should be a question mark, not a period. Yeah. Okay. Where is the book? So what's the answer?
وعلى المكتب.
Huwa alal maktabi. Where is the picture? Ainal kitabu.
At the bottom.
Yeah, so you can see the picture over here. So huwa alal maktabi means?
It is on the table.
Yeah, it is on the table. Right?
Yeah.
Huwa is, you can see huwa over here. So kitabi, the word kitabi is masculine or feminine?
Kitabi.
Kitabu is,
Kitabu is masculine.
because huwa is used over here, right?
Mm-hmm.
And what
Yeah.
about this one? Wa aina sa'atu?
It's feminine.
Yeah, you mashallah, you are very fast. We are, let's figure out this sentence first, and then we are going to, yeah.
And where is
Where is
where is the
watch?
where is the watch?
Okay, where is the watch? Okay, what's the answer?
هي على السرير.
Yeah, here ala sariri. So it is on the bed.
It is on the bed.
Right? So it is on the bed. So now, because you already told me that sa'atu is feminine, right?
Uh-huh.
You already told me. Why? Because you saw hiya in the answer. Hiya is she. Hiya is used when the ism is. Hiya is used when the ism is
Feminine.
feminine. Excellent. So, alhamdulillah, today you learn different things. Let me go to the whiteboard and then we can summarize the session, okay? Or we can write it over some, no, we don't have much space over here. So we need to clear all. And let me share.
I'll have another class in 5 minutes.
Okay, then we can like conclude this session, this lesson. And inshallah, we are going to do like summary later. Next next session, inshallah. But for just for the for just to summarize what we learned that today we learned that all the words originally they have dhamma at the end. Al-hammamu, al-ghurfatu. And then when they are in the sentence or in the combination, then their ending sound, ending movement ending Arab changes, right? The Arab changes. So al-baytu, when fi comes, it becomes fil bayti because fi is harf jar, right? Fi is harf jar, and harf jar are particular harf in Arabic, words in Arabic that make the following ism into jar form, and these ism take kasra, always kasra when they follow the harf jar. Okay, like fil bayti, fil masjidi, ala sariri, alal maktabi, maktabi. Can you see all kasra? So this thing we learned, and we also learned that huwa, which is a pronoun. Huwa is what? Pronoun, right? Huwa is for he. Huwa means he, and the pronoun for she is hiya. Okay, pronoun for she is hiya. So these things we learn, inshallah. We are going to learn more in details about harf jar and the combination of harf jar with ism and these pronouns. Today we only learned 2 pronouns, and there are so many pronouns. Inshallah, we are going to learn these pronouns in other lessons. Okay, so this is the end of this lesson. The lesson 4 is not done yet. We are going to learn more deeply about these pronouns and about Hertfordshire. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.